In this video, we're going to talk about MetaGaia, which is the first of its kind metaverse with ChatGPT powered oracles and pets.
Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing any money.
Let's get on with today's video. So here we are over on the MetaGaia website. As you're probably aware, recently we've seen a ChatGPT come into the public domain, and everyone is very, very excited about all the opportunities that it creates, as well as all of the different ways in which it can be used. ChatGPT is a smart language tool, so you can ask it all sorts of different questions and ask it to do different tasks, and it will be able to write out answers for you. It's completing children's homework around the world now, I'm sure, as well as helping coders with their code problems and so much more. And now we're seeing it step into the metaverse with the creation of MetaGaia. That's a pretty cool website you can see here. Use our breathing and living Web3 assets everywhere in the MetaGaia. Let's build and explore together. So you're going to be able to come in and build all sorts of different things and create a weird and wonderful world with lots of other co-creators around the world. So here you can see it is a premier immersive metaverse that enables a community and culture of a digital ownership in a fun, captivating and decentralized world. What else is very cool is it also has a play to earn game built into it, and you can earn from their METG, which is the MetaGaia gaming token. There's also free games and free ways you can interact with the website, so don't worry, you don't need to pay if you want to just go and try it out first of all. What else is cool is it brings people from all sorts of different walks of life around the world together during virtual events. And also you can do things like shopping, where you can go and buy virtual goods, virtual land, much more like that. And as well as that, you can trade things that you've bought in the future. Perhaps you can then upscale and earn more from selling them on to other people. And what else is cool is you can create your own individual characters, which themselves are NFTs. All of the different parts that they're using, different outfits, etc., will also be NFTs, and you can then upscale and create individuals that you can then sell to other people. Now, what else is cool is soon there's going to be another game built on the platform, which is the HexaHero play to earn combat game, where gamers battle using Hexa and heroes. Hexas are generated robots that evolve and battle by syncing with heroes, the human pilots of the Hexa, launching in Also, last year they launched HexaHeroes, a play-to-earn game, which is a play-to-earn combat game using Hexas and heroes. Hexas are generative robots that are used to evolve and battle by syncing with heroes. And it's all about the METG token. Okay, this is the token that will power the community and will be given as rewards for the various play-to-earn functions that happen within the platform. You can also stake this token, play games, and participate in key governance votes to ensure that you have a bit of a say in how the future of the platform is developed. Now, one of the things that makes MetaGaia unique is the fact that it is integrated in ChatGPT into the platform. We talked a little bit earlier on about what ChatGPT is, but this provides a playful and mysterious responses to emulate a wise mentor offering a guidance and navigation for the metaverse. That's very, very cool, because unlike traditional games where you might ask a question and it gives you a staged answer or an answer that, you know, if you answer yes or no, it's going to give you one of two different answers. ChatGPT is very, very cool because it offers you a completely unique answer every time you ask a question. And given that we all ask questions in slightly different ways, it will always give a slightly different answer to the question that you're asking. Users have the option to befriend pet companions, also equipped with ChatGPT functionality that offers a similar guidance from the perspective of a furry, whimsical companion. This is all very unique and all very, very cool in my opinion. Now, MetaGaia is seen more as an experience to earn platform. Every day you can go to the beach. Once a day you can go to Mora Mora Beach, where the tokens will rain down from the skies in a sort of an airdrop fashion. That's very unique, so you can just be there and also earn tokens. You'll be encouraged to participate in all sorts of different games that exist on the platform, and there is so much to explore as it's being added to all the time with various new releases and launches happening throughout the year. The launch is currently in its alpha stage, and if you want to get involved in that, you can go to the Discord, which is linked down below along with everything I've talked about today in the description of this video. And if you join in there, you'll get all the updates on everything that is happening through MetaGaia. In summary, MetaGaia is a very, very cool new concept, with a built-in ChatGPT Oracle, which allows you to interact with almost human-like responses from various people and creatures that you interact with along the way. There's so many different things to explore, and it's definitely worth checking out if you want to see the future of where gaming, Web3, and AI are all heading together. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about NFTs, gaming, crypto, and so much more, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video.